if you believe in God, you also have to believe that God is in control. So kung unsa manggali na imong ginahuna dinha, unsa imong gi-worry dinha, like unsa imong ibayad ika next month, unsa imong ipalit ini ka next month, tell it to the Lord. You can tell to God how much you need and then believe that the Lord hears it. In my testimony, kanang every month nadyo ko'y allotted nga amount nga akong ipalit para pangumpra. For example, kanang mapalit kog isda sa merkado. Before that day, like mga a week before, on the day nga mangumpra ko, I will tell to God nga, Lord, ika Wednesday, mangumpra ko, and kani ang kwarta nako. So example, ang kwarta is 1,500 or 1,200, and then hopefully makapalit kog isda nga 5 ka kilo, and then unta dili mahalang isda, and then presko ra gihapon ng isda, Lord. So ini ka day ana, I will really believe that the Lord hears me. So kanang adlaw, it will really happen nga makapalit jud kog 5 ka kilo, actually more than pa na, like mabot siya 6 ka kilo. So that's how powerful is your prayer and how important to be specific with your prayer.